Yeah, guys, so we do the right thing.
And we're fully outside now. No, not really. We have next to us. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. You know, on the day I will do your thing for so long, and we're glad for that. You know, we need to share up and thing and comment. Thanks for those who have been doing it so far. We really appreciate you guys.
Yep.
Really. So what you say now, Chris?
What
we the boat? What we the pan now?
Well, guys, we're up on the chair right now. Well, I can call it the couch.
Yeah.
Out there for talk to Z.
True.
I talk to her over there still. So today's another no movement day, guys.
Jamaica full of that right now. Well, we kinda cut down.
Well, this is the only no movement day now.
For now.
A Sunday.
Yeah.
It's kind of rough. I tell you the honest truth. And rough in the sense that it's almost like every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks, we gone to a month period now, we can expect to hear some changes. So sometimes you feel think back to yourself and wonder, what time of curfew again?
Oh, that's me.
Curfew did change. It is so bad that sometimes we can't even remember the days I week.
Yeah.
But guys, we're here, like I've been saying in all our other videos about mental health.
Yeah.
I think I should get
I
should get a job to speak about mental health. I don't know if because my mental health was affected so much a couple of years ago.
Okay.
Why it's a big deal for me. But COVID really has shake up things.
Yeah.
But at the same time, like we've always been saying, once you have life, you need to live it.
That's true.
Once you're dead,
That's it.
you can't live again. Right? So we do the best that we can day after day.
Yeah.
Protect your family, protect yourself.
That's important for everybody when it comes to this.
Yeah, protect your friends.
Mm-hmm.
Wear your mask. Social distance where you can, as best as you can.
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands.
Sanitize.
Spray your alcohol. Spray your Lysol. But just
That's
make
it.
sure you do anything we need to do to get through these times. But right now,
But then, not that you get vaccinated. That's one if you want to do. That's one of the things what they're saying we should.
I mean, so many persons are talking about vaccine. Who is for the vaccine?
Yeah.
Who is against the vaccine?
Yeah.
Who is the vaccine? This and that. To be honest, I am not the soul of the bone of vaccine.
That is true. That's
And
true.
since we're talking about vaccine, we went and we did our first dose.
Yeah.
Waiting to get our second dose done. So let's just take a little peek on that video, and then we just come back and tell you what's going after it. Is it?
Hey guys, well, we actually decided to get vaccinated. So that I'm gonna try sort out now. We decided to do it one at a time, you know, just in case you don't know you're gonna react to it. So you know the 2 weeks can't down at the same time, you know, just in case. When I say nothing bad gonna happen, but you just never know, see? So yeah, I'm gonna go do that now. I'm gonna carry on along with me, see? Alright guys, so we actually just come from out of the clinic, and well, it's what now? It's 2:07, and then I starting until 4 o'clock, but I actually get a number and we get 84. Yeah, you know what I say? After 2, see? And them now start till 4 o'clock. So Alright guys, it's now what, 4:12. The man said they must start 4:30. Yeah, the guy said they're starting 4:30 and they actually have number 84 like I showed you guys. So fingers crossed. Now let's go down there right now.
Someone can live here, so. And then we can get parking space over there, so.
See these people? Because do a little video for my YouTube. Yeah. Yeah, that's. So, alright guys, I don't know if you're not hearing me, but edit. And I wait to get my card, so I'm wait for them to call my name again.
A few moments later.
Look who showed up, guys. You could have just made him turn enough.
Just do the thing, you know? Do the right thing.
Easy, don't it? Why say easy?
I could even get a chance to take out my phone to a thing quick.
Chris, so you never get yours on video?
No.
From she call my name, me take out my phone. But, alright, so I go. But him do it.
And we see when we get the second one. For sure.
Alright.
Yeah guys, so we do the right thing.
And we're fully outside now. No, not really. We have next to us.
What, October 5th?
Yeah.
Yeah, October 4th can get the second dose.
Seems far to me.
Look far, but I don't think it's far still. I right time, then give it. So, we'll go home now, people. Go take a Panadol the next 6 hours from now. Yeah guys, so first dose down, waiting on the second. I think I should let Sammy tell you how things went for her.
Yeah, because it comes like a me when you get vaccinated, don't it? But like the clip what played before, in it I mentioned that on that day I was supposed to get it, right? So I was supposed to get it and then Chris would have gone the day after. But things never go so, you see, him end up come and think, thank God we did end up take 2 numbers.
I did just the time for me to get my vaccine, I don't so. I would have gone the day after anyways, but it just happened, it happened.
Yeah, and thank God he never really feel nothing. I was the one that hours after taking it, you know, I'm anxious I would take the Panadol. We took the Panadol. I took mine before them even stick me. See? One day I feel good the whole night and thing. Yeah, so the following day, I wake up and I have nothing in life in my body. I could even play my mother duties. Not even that. I could do it, but just weak. This moment me I freeze. The other moment me so hot. I don't have no name energy. Like literally guys, I spent the entire day in the bed. From under the sheet to outside of the sheet. Right? Anything more, somebody bring it to me.
I needed to tell her, sir, get up out of the bed, you make yourself sick.
No, you are forcing me to come out of the
not,
bed. And I'm going to tell you,
I saw the body work. The body now, I go register, say, alright, you're sick.
Yes.
So the sickness will come on.
I truly don't know how I feel.
Oh, you mean?
You never get it. If you did feel how me feel, I understand. Say, me just did have to stay in my bed.
Well, then probably I wonder if me get the vaccine for real. By the time I take out my phone to catch my little video, the woman take out the needle already to out fast.
Yeah, you know, quick like that.
But guys, I told me never really prepared for that day.
And the thing is, I was videoing the entire time.
Yeah, so me never start the no video yet. But it just
yeah.
have to take out my phone to capture something.
I decided to keep my phone in my hand. So as the lady start, I tell her, I say, listen, I go take a little video. I actually tell her. And she say as long as whatever, but...
Well, me get up and me go. I got up the following morning.
Yeah.
Me never feel no way. So I just go to work. So I was there doing my regular duties like a good employee. And then we just feel like my pace start cut, me start walk slow, me start type slow, and I said, no man, it feel like say, the energy will leave me. Guys, I see by the time I got to 11 o'clock, but I just have to let my supervisor know I'm gone. And I tell her, say, I can't work with 12 o'clock. Because she say, you sure say you can go, you sure say. But I'm already in the middle of my duties. And everybody will know me, know say, Chris have to get his work done.
Yeah.
And all of me I drop down, I still feel like I need to get the work done. But guys, I came home, took another set of Panadol. I go hold a little lay down, I drop asleep. Probably about 1 hour or so. Because I have headache and things. So by the time I get up, the headache never gone fully, but I was not as weak. The headache wasn't so bad. So I decided to never come out of the bed. Samantha was still in the bed.
That's all I wanted to
do. Till I tell her, say, let's come out of the bed, go outside, get some fresh air. And I think things changed for her after that. The next day now, after that, when I wake up, I just couldn't make it to work. Guys, and it's not like I was sick unto death, but more than I push myself and then figure out, I'm not a fuck, this a piece of joke here. The night that I got the vaccine, I feel like I just sleep for about 3 days. To all the sleep feel long. And every minute I wake up and I check the time and say, no man, not time for me to go to work yet. I feel like I was hallucinating, like I couldn't find myself at one point. So that was really my experience while she experienced the fever and the hot flashes and them something there. But guys,
everybody react to it differently.
Everybody have a different reaction.
Yeah, because you have persons that take it as nothing.
Some people don't react at all. Like I say, me not tell you if you take it and nobody could tell me if you take it.
Yeah.
It's a personal decision. You must know what is right for you and your family. You must know the reason why you take it or you don't want to take it.
Yep.
But we did what was right for ourselves and for our family.
Yeah.
And people, one of my friends take the vaccine, you know. I have to give them that joke, yeah. So they're going to take in second dose now. Them write on him car, they say, him get the vaccine. So he went in the morning,
yeah,
but they wrote on the car that he got the vaccine at 11 p.m. People, when me tell us say when 11 o'clock in the night come, 11:08, I have to text him and tell him, say, now you are fully vaccinated.
Yeah, man, it just activated.
Because it never activated in the morning. I just know at 11:08 p.m. It got activated and we had a celebration. So people here want to do, just do the right thing. Do the right thing. If my son could get vaccine, would I give him a vaccine?
And look how much other vaccine we get. Enough of all of we go through high school, primary school, basic school, and a beer vaccination at this age. Samuel's too, and the amount of vaccination him get already.
This shouldn't even be a debate. But anyways, guys,
it's up to you guys.
We really need to protect ourselves, keep our family and ourselves safe. Guys, the opportunity is still there. Yes, we have curfew. Yes, we have no movement days. Yes, we still have work. But separate and apart from that, life goes on.
Yeah, man.
Go on up there. Some beach open. If you don't like sea water, some river open. If you don't like water and you just want to bathe and drink the water, you can go to a restaurant. You can go somewhere. Just find something to do.
Yeah.
Fine, if you have to go with your friend, you go sit down and chat. If that make you happy, do it.
Yeah.
But In these times, we're all being tried mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually,
every alley you can think about.
workplace of course,
Lord Jesus.
church of course,
Lord of
school
mercy.
people.
Mhm.
Just live your life.
Yep, to the fullest.
Just live life.
Yeah.
They say here today, gone tomorrow. God forbid you go tomorrow. You did your part in society and you enjoy yourself.
True that.
So, guys, we're going to leave it right here. Probably something for you to think about.
Mm-hmm.
Enjoy yourself. Enjoy your life. For this video, like,
Comment
share,
and subscribe.
subscribe. And please remember that the journey continues. Far we have come from, and we're going to carry from then until the end.
That's it.
Peace out.
Bye, guys.
Out.